The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 redefines the future of smartphones, blending state-of-the-art technology with a stunning foldable design. With a sleek, lightweight chassis and a brilliant dual-display setup, it offers unparalleled versatility. Use the 6.3-inch AMOLED cover screen for quick tasks or unfold the expansive 7.6-inch inner display for immersive entertainment and productivity. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, the Z Fold 6 handles everything from intense multitasking to high-end gaming with ease. Its next-gen AI capabilities, vivid displays with top-notch brightness, and improved durability make it a standout device. Designed for trailblazers and innovators, it's not just a phone. It's a pocket-sized powerhouse that transforms how you work, play, and create. Whether you're managing spreadsheets or sketching with the optional S Pen, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 ensures you're always at the cutting edge 6'7". The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a state-of-the-art foldable smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with premium craftsmanship. Released on July 24, 2024, it features a durable yet lightweight design with a foldable dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display measuring 7.6 inches, unfolded, and a 6.3-inch cover display, both boasting HDR10+ and a peak brightness of 2600 nits. Its robust body includes Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and an enhanced aluminum frame, ensuring durability with IPX8 water resistance. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, offering unmatched performance with up to 12 GB of RAM and storage options up to 1 TB. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 excels in photography with its triple camera system, including a 50MP primary sensor and advanced video capabilities like 8K recording. For selfies, it provides both a 4MP under-display camera and a 10MP cover camera. Packed with features like stereo speakers, Samsung DeX support, and UWB, the phone also supports 5G connectivity and boasts a long-lasting 4,400 mAh battery with 25W wired and 15W wireless charging. Priced at $1,129.99 and available in multiple colors, it is a productivity powerhouse for tech enthusiasts seeking the ultimate in innovation and style. Pros: improved design, lighter, thinner, and more durable than its predecessor, offering enhanced portability. High-quality displays. Both the 6.3-inch cover screen and 7.6-inch inner screen feature vibrant dynamic AMOLED 2X panels with high brightness and 120 Hz refresh rates, suitable for productivity and entertainment. Performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with up to 12 GB RAM, it excels in multitasking, gaming, and intensive apps. Stylus support. Supports the S Pen for productivity, though it is sold separately. AI features. Offers creative tools like sketch-to-image and photo enhancements via integrated AI capabilities. Longevity. Comes with 7 years of software updates, ensuring long-term usability. Enhanced multitasking. Seamless handling of tasks like Excel sheets, social media, and media playback, aided by optimized One UI 6.1.1. Cons. High price. Starting at around $1,900, it's one of the most expensive foldable phones. Camera limitations. Uses the same primary camera as previous models, which lags behind other flagship devices in this price range. Charging speed. Lags behind competitors with slower charging capabilities. Battery life. Marginally improved but still underwhelming for a device of this size. S Pen exclusion. Despite stylus support, the S Pen is not included in the box. Crease visibility. Although reduced, the foldable screen still has a visible crease. Usability of the cover screen. Narrower aspect ratio makes it less ergonomic compared to alternatives. Overall, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a powerhouse for those prioritizing multitasking and cutting-edge tech, but it may not justify its price for casual users or those seeking the best cameras or battery life 6'7".